Madriaga.
Ganda mo talaga, Eve.
A city girl?
Sis, what should I wear? This or this?
Ma, ganda? Ma, talino.
Ito na lang, para twinning tayo.
Good student at family-oriented sa umaga. Baragbag na ball player sa gabi. Yan naman ay si Ada de Leon, probinsyano girl, anak ng relihiyosong pamilya. What will happen if their souls switch?
Sino ka?
What happened to me isn't me, isn't my face, isn't my body.
May kakambal kang kaluluwa.
Ikaw yung babae sa panaginip ko?
A movie featuring Filipino fantasy.
Coming soon on ICE Cinema Premiere.